Unlock incredible saving with early bird discounts. Year 2025 is just around the corner, and the best way to start the year is with a fantastic trip at unbeatable prices. Get ahead of the crowd and take advantage of our early bird discounts on flight tickets. Dubai to Manila, one-way flight promotion. Royal Brunei for as low as 1,135 AED. Qatar Airways for as low as 1,245 AED. Oman Airways for as low as 1,415 AED. Cebu Pacific for as low as 1,225 AED. Philippine Airlines for as low as 1,625 AED. Kuwait Airways for as low as 1,500 AED. Emirates Airlines for as low as 1,700 AED. And Singapore Airlines for as low as 1,675 AED. Don't miss out on this amazing savings and start planning your 2025 adventures by visiting our office, or you can reach us out at 054-424-8656.